This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here is an announcement. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers, and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. The National President of Bharatiya Janata Party, J.P. Nadda, arrived in Imphal yesterday and launched a video van which will carry the messages of the achievements of the BJP-led Manipur state government in the last 4 years and 8 months. Mr. Nadda said the government of India, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has taken up different women empowerment schemes. The Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Ujjwala Scheme, Swachh Bharat campaign are schemes which empower women. The central government believes that the country will develop when the entire northeastern states are developed. Therefore, the Prime Minister visited the northeastern region 50 times in the last 7 years, Mr. Nadda said. The diversity of the country is a strengthening force for democracy, said the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla while addressing members of the Assam Legislative Assembly in Guwahati on the last day of the winter session yesterday. Mr. Birla said that despite differences in language, culture and geography, it is the democratic system which is binding the people for a stronger nation. He added that it is the power of the Constitution and decisions should be people-centric and neutral. The Lok Sabha Speaker launched the Assam Legislative Digital TV in the Central Hall of the Assam Legislative Assembly. Meghalaya yesterday reported 8 new COVID-19 cases and 10 recoveries. 1 death due to the viral disease was also reported. The state had 77 active cases on the last count. In Manipur, 8 people tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. 1 COVID-19 related death was also reported. The number of active cases was 186 till yesterday. Also, 13 COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery. The government hopes to make the proposed Meghalaya Engineering College operational within the next academic session. Education Minister Lakhmen Rimboy said the Northeastern Hilly University has inspected the site and the state government has applied for affiliation of the proposed college and permission from the regulatory authorities. The process of sanctioning of posts is on, and if everything goes according to plan, the engineering college can start within the next academic session, the minister said. For the first time in the state, the government of Manipur provided a financial assistance of 3 lakh rupees each to 15 football clubs participating in the Manipur State League. The financial assistance was forwarded by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh in a function held at Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. Mr. Singh also announced that 15 lakh rupees would be provided to all Manipur Football Association as assistance for the forthcoming football tournament. Travelling allowance for players participating in national events in other states will be hiked from 200 rupees to 500 rupees per player per day. Midnight masses were conducted in churches across the Northeast last night, marking the advent of Lord Jesus Christ as Christmas is being celebrated today. Cities, towns and villages are wearing festive looks. Churches, government and private buildings, public places, shops and markets have been illuminated. The various state governments have issued standard operating procedures and safety protocols for the celebration of Christmas and the forthcoming New Year. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have extended their greetings to the nation on the auspicious occasion of Christmas. And with that, we're in the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.